Today we're going to show you how to make a DIY agility ladder using painter's tape and a ruler. We're starting right now. So we got Suzanne here. She's been crawling around on her floor for the last 3 hours, so I finally gave her something to do. She's using a 4-foot, 48-inch level as a guide to create a 4-box ladder. So as you can see, she's just laid it out on the floor along with the lines that we have already on the mats. And she's laid out a 48-inch line of the blue painter's tape. And now she also has a clear ruler. She's going to use that to create a 1 foot across box. So you'll have basically 4 boxes that are 1 foot by 1 foot. And you just line those up. And you can literally put as many of those as you want across your floor. So if you want to do this in the kitchen has a nice flat surface, and the tape would probably stick pretty well to that. I'm not sure if I'd recommend doing this on carpet, but yes. So yeah, anyway, she's just going to continue making these crossbars, and she's just using that 1 foot ruler to line these up as best she can. By no means does this need to be absolutely perfect, but if you're looking to get some at-home training in and you want to do some footwork drills, you happen to like the ladder, this is a pretty easy way to create that with something that you probably already have laying around the house. I went and got the thin blue painter's tape. Painter's tape is nice because it doesn't really leave residue, so long as you don't leave it on there for a long time. I guess if you left it on there for long enough, it would probably leave some residue. Here we see Suzanne has, out of a 1 foot line, she's got about 10 inches. So there we go. She's finishing that off. So yeah, anyway, they're just continuing on. She's just going to finish this up, and you could create this as 2 squares, 3 squares, 5 squares. A typical agility ladder usually has about 10. I think it usually has 10 squares. I know the ones that we have at the martial arts studio, they both have 10 squares. So if you have the space and you want to create a longer one, you're by all means, go right ahead, have fun with it. Looks like Suzanne is. From there, you just got to finish up that last line, and then run another piece right up the side. Here she goes, finishing this thing off. Hey, be sure to check out another one of our videos on different footwork drills that we can do. So if you need to see kind of a close-up view of what the feet are doing on the different types of footwork that we practice, be sure to tune in. All right, enjoy and happy training.